Thought I should do a PSA. Today is Saturday. The Pro Bowl is tomorrow in Las Vegas. People don't even know what kind of crappy weather we're having tomorrow because all they do is look at the temperature. Temperature is going to be great, going to be in the 60s. But we're going to have wind gust of 50. All the trash that's on the road, sidewalks, walkways, railways, whatever, is going to come in your mouth, your nose, your ears, and your eyes. Just be prepared for it. Las Vegas, the worst wind for dust and debris.